How to block or unblock someone on Viber. Need some space from a chatty friend or want to unblock someone later? Viber makes it easy to block or unblock contacts. Let me show you how. First things first, open your Viber app and go to the Chats or Contacts tab. Find a person you want to block or unblock. Tap to open the chat with them. Tap on their name at the top to open the contact information. Scroll down and tap Block Contact. Confirm when prompted, and they won't be able to send you messages or call you on Viber anymore. To unblock a contact, go to the same contact information screen and tap Unblock Contact. Once confirmed, they can message or call you again just like before. You can manage all blocked contacts in Settings, then go to Privacy, then go to Block List. This is also where you can unblock multiple contacts at once if needed. And that's it. Blocking or unblocking someone on Viber is simple, quick, and gives you full control over your chats. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.